Good day, folks. Wanted to share with you today a little pointer on how to check your fuel pressure, basically, on your fuel injector on your little Polaris RZRs. Got a 170 here. Thing's running rich. Sounds like it's running lean, but it's running rich. And I want to stay running when it's hot, so had the fuel pressure checked on the right up inside here. We got the fuel injector, and there's a pressure line back here. We pop that off. Special tool, check pressure. It's draining back, basically losing fuel pressure. Customer had the fuel pump replaced. That obviously didn't work, so came upon the injector. We just popped the injector out and wanted to check for leakage. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All you gotta do is prime the thing. At least just turn the key on. Prime it. Come on down here. Look down the injector here. Gonna go ahead and pop this off. Oh. And sure enough, our fuel pump is good, and it's leaking from the injector right now. So these are kind of common on these. Rarely replace injectors, but it tends to happen if you're losing fuel pressure, especially on a fuel injected vehicle. You want to check this first before you do anything else. Is the cheapest part right there. So anyway, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message.